SnapWords is a powerhouse collection of sight words that include the most frequently reoccurring words in books children read. Many are words that can't be sounded out, and abstract words that are difficult to form a mental picture of. The power of using SnapWords is that children will instantly recognize most of the words in their books. Reading becomes easy, reading becomes fun for everyone. SnapWords are unlike any other sight word cards. They embed words and images so children recognize them instantly. And instant word recognition is reading fluency. The image stores the word in visual memory. The body motion cements the words in body memory, especially for kinesthetic and visual kids. A story places a word in context. Will children become reliant on the pictures? The beauty of SnapWords is once a child snaps a mental picture and does the body motion, their brain transforms plain words into SnapWords. Thousands of children have transformed from struggling to successful with SnapWords, at a pace that surprises even the most experienced teachers. SnapWords are the best at ensuring frustration-free reading and boosting the confidence of children who couldn't read before. SnapWords level the learning field, giving every child an equal chance to succeed. Children who are visual, kinesthetic, tactile, inventive, creative, or who are beginners. Children with unique learning abilities such as ADHD, Dyslexia, Down syndrome, autism, Asperger's. SnapWords can be found in individual sets based on skill and difficulty level. They're also available in kits, so you can get the collection of SnapWords that is perfect for your child or class. Unleash your child's potential by gifting them with SnapWords. You will see their confidence grow as success fuels their desire to learn more. There are no limits to the growth you'll see.